I'm the ICT specialist for Pennine Telecom. I'm one of the two senior engineers. I design, build networks, wireless networks, large phone systems, lots and lots of different things that Pennine do. Pennine Telecom was established the same year as I was born, 1976, so they've been around for 34 years now. We're an independent provider of various different systems, telephone systems, radio systems, wireless networks, just about everything that any company would need. We partnered with Avaya and Motorola and Extreme Networks and like people like Opel and all the telecoms like Orange and O2 and things like that. We provide systems and help companies. It's mainly the bigger projects. So we've got a project at the moment for a local college. It's Bolton College, Bolton Community College. They're having a huge network. So it's going to be a very large network, big phone system, and then a wireless network sits on top of that. So it would be designing, building, and then installing that system. I'd probably mainly do the network for that one. It's going to be 92 extreme switches all around this huge new building. So it'll be designing all of the LANs and the VLANs and all the routing for the whole of the network. And then installing it and getting it ready. And make sure it all works. This is fairly typical of the work that Pennine do, large projects like this. We do lots of other smaller projects with just individual bits of this. But yeah, this is the kind of thing that Pennine do. Very early on, I was always a technical child, so I was always playing with Lego and building things, then moved on to technical Lego and building cars with gears and various other suspensions, bits and pieces like that. So it's always been very technical. And my dad had an office at home as well, so he had a very early PC, a 286 PC, an IBM PC. So from then onwards, and then having a ZX Spectrum like everybody does, and doing some programming in BASIC, that moved on. And as we got home PCs, and we were upgraded that, and then it just spiraled from there. Always been into computers, so I did IT at GCSE. Went on to sixth form and did maths, physics and computation. Then I went on to UMIST, which is now part of Manchester University, and did computation there as well. After finishing university, I went to work as IT support at a big call centre, local to where I live. After about a year there, I took on the network, all the servers and systems, and then took on the phone system. Our maintainer for the phone system was Pennine Telecom, so after about 3 years of working with Pennine and them helping with the phone system there, I came to work for Pennine. So I've been here for 7 years now. I think it's more about enjoying it. I think all the engineers here do enjoy what they do. I definitely do, and I find it interesting. That's what keeps me wanting to be up to date and things like that. Pennine have an apprentice scheme, so we have a lot of apprentices that come through. As long as they are willing to do the work and to learn, then we're very happy to take them on, and they've done very well out of it. We've got some really good engineers out of it. At the higher end, we're looking for people who know the systems and again are willing to put the work in and do well for Pennine. Pennine are very good at providing training for us. With all technology, new systems come out all the time, so we have to keep up to date, and Pennine are very good at doing that. Most of the qualifications I have now, besides my degree, are from working at Pennine. I think the Royal Academy project is very important to raise the profile of engineers, to be able to get over the idea that engineers aren't just people who are designing and building things, and there are actually so many other engineering disciplines, to kind of get across the idea that it's not just about, like I say, building and designing things. It's about the computers, it's about technical things, it's about chemistry and biology and all the different things. I think it's very important that young people are encouraged to think about science and engineering. The science and engineering community are the people who actually design, they build, they cure things. It's the people who develop the world, really. And I think it's very important for the UK to be very strong in this. It keeps us as a big player in the world. An engineer is somebody who uses their knowledge of mathematics, scientific knowledge, technical knowledge to provide something or to create something. And in myself, I do really enjoy being an engineer.